I grew up just on this corner. It actually got expropriated by the government years ago, and now it's all conservation area. But it was really amazing because the Rouge River is just down here, and we used to swim all summer, and it was a really great place to grow up. We're in the Markham area, and we're at, I guess, well, back in my day, it was 16th Avenue and 10th Line, but 10th Line has just been renamed to Reeser Road. Well, I've been in business since 1997, and the company name is Stems Interior Landscaping, Inc. And I got into the business, well, mainly because I love plants. Even when I was a small child, instead of buying candy with my allowance money, when we went to the grocery store, I would buy a plant. So I had begonias and spider plants and succulents, all kinds of plants. By the time I was in high school, I had a light unit, I was propagating plants. My whole bedroom was just filled with plants. Then I worked as a summer student at Wheel and Cullen at the old Cullen Country Barns. So that was really great. I was in the indoor plant division. So we brought in a lot of tropical plants, did up the displays, sold them. And so that was kind of my gateway into the tropical plant industry. What we do is we install indoor plants and then we look after them. So our typical plant is an office plant, just a single plant in a beautiful pot, and we place it and then we look after it. So what we specialize in is the indoor environment, and we put the proper plant in the right place to ensure that it survives and thrives. I've had my own company for about 22 years now, and it's definitely had its challenges, opportunities. I've had a lot of fun. This industry has so many opportunities and a way to express your creativity as well. It's been really great. Every day I'm faced with challenges and putting on the different hats and juggling a lot of things at once. But I really enjoy overcoming those obstacles and finding a way to solve the problems in a timely manner and getting it done. A really great partner is LECHUZA. The product is amazing, so we'll put in the tropical plants from Valley View into the LECHUZA planter, and it really takes the guesswork out of watering, because when we're going into an office to do the plant care and maintenance of these plants, it's really hard to guess what the next week is going to be in weather. For example, if it's a really hot, sunny day, it's kind of counterintuitive because the sun is really strong, which will dry the plant out, but the air conditioning is on, which cools the plant so it's not actually transpiring too much. So the LECHUZA system takes the guesswork out of the watering so that the plant is always thriving.
Hi, I'm Matthew Varlies. I work here at Valley View Gardens. This is a family business. I'm the third generation. We were established in 1970 and we've been operating for 49 years. I'm a sales rep here at Valley View Gardens, and I'm also a domestic purchaser. So I purchase goods that are in Canada. All right, so here at Valley View, we specialize in trendy tropicals. We're very consumer-based, whereas we like to follow the trends in the plant market. We carry plants such as monsteras and other in-demand plants. So one of the services we provide is we help a lot of interior landscapers and designers such as Hella from Stems. We help her come up with plant solutions for her office spaces and any other areas that she may be working on.
Hi, my name is Hilary West. I work here at Valley View Gardens. I've worked here for a bit over a year now. I am part of the sales department here as well, and I help customers find the plants that they require for the specific needs of their homes. Right behind me here is our LECHUZA section within our Valley View Garden store. They carry self-watering pots for all your different types of needs within your home, outside your home, in your patio, in your garden. We love dealing with LECHUZA because they have such a wide variety of pots for customers that can meet any type of specification that they come in with, whether it's for herbs or for your outdoor plants or for indoor plants. What I really love about LECHUZA and their self-watering planters is that they take the guesswork out of when to water your plants.